We'll guide you through how to use Streamlabs on your Mac for streaming. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website on your Mac and download the latest version compatible with macOS. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Streamlabs. After installation, open Streamlabs and you'll be prompted to log in. You can use your Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook account for this. Choose the platform you wish to stream on and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. Here, you can set up your stream by clicking on the plus icon in the Sources section to add your video sources like your webcam, screen capture, or game capture. Adjust the layout by dragging and resizing the sources within the preview window. Next, go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the Audio section, make sure your microphone and desktop audio devices are set up correctly so your audience can hear everything clearly. Under the Output tab, set your video bitrate according to your internet connection for optimal streaming quality. If you're unsure, Streamlabs usually provides a recommended setting based on your connection speed. Now, go to the Stream tab and ensure your streaming service is connected. If everything looks good, click on the Go Live button in the bottom right corner to start your stream. Remember to test your stream first to make sure everything is running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.